All right, fam. It's been a while since we've done one of these, so please bear with me while I shake off the rust. We've got a whole bunch of stuff to get into. I'm just sitting around waiting for an inspector that hasn't come since 8 in the morning. Why do they do this? Anyway, that's my problem, not y'all's. Instead, y'all get a pretty cool deal vid since I was just looking at stuff. Huge shout out to Deal Team 6, Llama Llama, Eugene, all the regulars, all the Facebook peeps. Go check them out. As far as I know, they haven't banned a gajillion people yet. So get in there while you still can. Now let's kick things off. I've been hearing a lot of talking about the M12 price adjustment. Now, everyone's seen these kits in store. They are available online, and they are absolutely hackable. Now, you guys have till October 23rd. I'll leave a link in the description down below to this, as well as all the other items. Let's talk about the hack a little bit. Now, you guys know you're going to go to free gift with purchase, unless this is your first time here. Then I don't know what to tell you. Go check out some of those other older videos. Anyway, go to free gift with purchase, select the one you want. Now, generally, if you want to keep the battery set, you're going to want to pick the highest priced item, which in this case would definitely be this die grinder. Let's just go ahead and do that and see what it works out to. Yeah, whatever. So $95 is the absolute cheapest you can get on that 5 and 2.5. However, that's only 7.5 amp hours, which I absolutely do not recommend. You can definitely buy some cheaper batteries elsewhere. You just have to look a little bit. However, that price on that die grinder, $105, that's pretty solid. Now let's delve a little further into this hack, then we'll go back and do some stuff there. Let's get that out of the cart. Whatever. Yeah, let's get that out of there. Those saws are absolute garbage, by the way. Just so y'all know, stay away from those. Don't even bother. Anyway, talking about the hack. Now, there's 2 ways left to do the hack. Home Depot, as far as I know, they've fixed most of the other ways. Now, what you're going to want to do, what I find the easiest, so that you really generally don't have to deal with walking to the return desk or anything like that, I will set both items for pickup. You see how it says, please make sure promotional items have same delivery or pickup options and try again. So go ahead and set them both for pickup. Just like that. And you can change the store that they're picked up at. So I've got one at store 586 and another one at store whatever that was. See? Multiple store locations are selected for pickup, review, whatever. They can't make you pick up from the same store. So that's all you do. Just pick up whichever item you want and don't pick the other one up. A week's going to go by or whatever, and they'll pester you to pick that up. Just tell them, no, I don't want it anymore. They cancel it, and you get your hack price. Just like that. The other option is get both items delivered and take the item that you don't want back to the store for a return. Pretty simple. Anyways, what else did they have here? All the same items are there. The rocket light, the pump, the stick pump, which is actually pretty nice. It is there now. The radio, the high-speed ratchet, the oscillating tool, which, by the way, I think that oscillating tool goes down to like $70, $79, $80, something like that. That's pretty solid. If you don't own one of those, you can't go wrong with that. Over at Woot, the Nipex pliers, wrench pliers, by the way, are down to $129. Link for that will be in the description down below. Over at Acme Tools, they are having a Milwaukee sale. Pretty solid stuff. Not a bad price on that headlamp pen light kit, but if you continue going down, you'll find 2 items that I think are pretty nice. The 3/8 stubby compact impact wrench, $159, and the 2-tool combo kit at $229. That is a Gen 4 impact driver and the M18 fuel oscillating tool with 2 batteries. And get this, you can save more. So let's do the kit. So you can go in, add your kit to the cart. I will leave a link for this as well as everything else in the description down below. And you're going to go into your cart and add code. I think it was TCC10. And just like that, you get an extra $10 off your order. That should cover the price of shipping. $149 plus shipping. Not bad, fam. Not bad. I'm gonna be straight with y'all. I don't like that stubby. But that other kit, the Gen 4 with the M12, that's the real, or M18 oscillating tool, I should say. That's the real winner here. Do that instead. That's not bad at all. Let's get that out of there. The coupon code discount. That's where that came from, I guess. Yeah, get that out of there. $219, not bad. Not bad. That's like $109 for each tool with battery. And you get a charger that's not terrible, like the M12 charger. That being said, we've got one final deal here. Now, I've seen this posted everywhere. I have no idea if they'll follow through. We've had issues with Northern Tool in the past. All I can tell you guys is, if you do this order, do not apply any promo codes to it because they will cancel that. We found that out last year with the M12 high-speed ratchet. Anyways, the underbody light. This thing is, well, it's all right. It's not terrible. It's not great. It's still pretty cool. I've never seen it this cheap. It's always been $199 as long as I can remember. Even the hacks only got it down to like $150-ish. So $99, that's a steal. But they even throw in a 500 lumen rechargeable flashlight. So pretty solid. Check that out. $99. Link will be in the description for this as well as everything you saw here. If y'all want me to go back to these deal videos, too bad, fam. I'm just posting these because I'm waiting for an inspector and I got nothing else to do. That's all I got for you guys today. Have at it. Good luck.